In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox on a Windows 10 host. First things first, in a web browser, navigate to the above link and download the required software. Under VirtualBox 6.1.18 platform packages, click on Windows Hosts to start the Windows Host installation download. Additionally, under VirtualBox 6.1.18 Oracle VM VirtualBox Extension Pack, click on All Supported Platforms to start the extension pack download. Once the download is complete, click on VirtualBox 6.1.18-14exe to start the installation process. The Welcome to Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.1.18 setup wizard appears. Click Next button to continue. Leave all the default options intact and click the Next button to continue. Uncheck Create Desktop Shortcut and click the Next button to continue. Ignore the warning about network interfaces going down and click Yes to install the network interface cards. On the Ready to Install dialog, click Install and then let the installer run. Approve the User Account Control Access message by clicking Yes. Once Oracle VMware VirtualBox 6.1.18 is installed, the Oracle VMware VirtualBox 6.1.18 installation complete message will appear in the dialog box. Leave the Start Oracle VMware VirtualBox 6.1.18 after installation checkbox unchecked and click Finish. This will launch Oracle VMware VirtualBox. As shown shortly in the video. Next, go back to the web browser and click on the green icon for Oracle VM Extension Pack installation. The following message will be displayed. Mine says reinstall, but the principle that follows is the same. If you have not installed Oracle VirtualBox, it will say install. Click on the install button. I will click on reinstall for the purpose of this demonstration. In order to install the VirtualBox extensions, you need to agree to the licensing that comes with the extensions. You'll notice that the I agree and I disagree icons are grayed. In order to accept the license or decline it, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the license and then the buttons will be enabled. To install VirtualBox extensions as we intend to do, click on I agree. Approve the user access control account security dialog by clicking yes, and then let it install. On successful installation, you will get a message saying that the extension pack was successfully installed. Click on OK. And folks, that's all there is to it. Now you have VirtualBox installed on your Windows 10 host. Keep an eye out for another video tutorial in the next coming days.